Hey everybody, Ace here. Binance, one of the world's largest crypto trading platforms, is coming under a lot of heat from regulators in the UK, Japan, and even Canada, which in turn has limited the trading platform's ability to offer services in those countries. Let me briefly tell you what each country has said about it, and then let me give you my thoughts on how I think that's going to affect the crypto market. Starting off with the UK. Britain's financial regulator has banned Binance. The UK Financial Conduct Authority said Binance is not permitted to undertake any regulated activity in the UK. Although the main reasons why the ban was placed was not stated anywhere, it can be assumed that this was a regulatory crackdown on the cryptocurrency sector because of the concerns or potential involvement in fraud or money laundering. More or less what they're stating is there are some shady things going on in the cryptocurrency sector, as we all know, and there's not really necessarily anything that they can do about it other than putting bans on the trading platforms that are allowing these shady things to happen on. Now, while trading cryptocurrencies is not directly regulated in Britain, other things such as trading derivatives do require certain authorizations, which is something that Binance allows, which could be a reason why they got banned. The good news is if you're a British citizen, you'll still be able to access Binance in other jurisdictions, just not within the UK. Moving on to Japan. Japan originally made the first move on Binance by stating that Binance was operating illegally in their country. Their own financial services authority issued a warning that Binance is not allowed to do business in their country. And that's about all there is on the Japan front. Binance has to do some legal work to be able to do business in their country. And finally, in Canada, they made a statement that Binance is no longer allowed to service customers after December 31st as Canada starts to ramp up their cryptocurrency regulations. Now, what does this mean for the cryptocurrency market? Well, in the near term or the short term, I think this might slow down the markets a little bit or cause them to continue to decline. But in the long term, and I'm talking 5-10 years down the road, this will not be a big deal whatsoever. It'll just be a small blip in the total map. Cryptocurrencies do not have many or any regulations around them whatsoever. So it's not really surprising to me that other countries are banning trading platforms that all of this cryptocurrency activity is happening on. Just think about all the different regulations that normal stock trading platforms have to go through just to be able to become a brokerage and offer services to you. The fact that cryptocurrency platforms don't really have any regulations around them and they're kind of just set up willy-nilly and people can jump on them and start trading cryptocurrencies obviously has some big gaps in regulations, and that's a main reason why some of these countries are putting bans on certain trading platforms. Now, there are some crypto trading platforms that are filing the necessary paperwork to be able to service customers in other countries. For instance, Coinbase is actually filing the necessary paperwork in Japan to be able to offer cryptocurrency trading. The way I see it, once some of these major trading platforms actually get accepted by the majority of countries, that's just going to ignite the wave of cryptocurrency investing and trading, which will really help bolster the cryptocurrency market. But in the short term that we're living right now, since there are regulations or bans being placed on some of these major trading platforms, we're obviously going to see a slower market or a decline in price for the near term. Ultimately, this is just going to be a little tiny blip in the giant crypto timeline. And if Binance really wants to be a part of that and see that growth, they're just going to have to fill out the necessary paperwork in the countries to be able to service their customers there. And that's all I have for you today. If you liked this video or learned anything, please just tap that thumbs up button for me. Leave me a comment down below on which crypto trading platform you use, and please subscribe for more content. And until then, I hope to see you in the next video.